Welcome back, guys. It is what it is. It's going down. There's either we listen to music and there's something happening that we're talking about. So, hey, this song, I think was dropped like a couple hours ago, or let's just say yesterday. Is the track by Mpuna Mpuna. I was expecting him to give people something different or to continue on the path that he has been like what that he has been, like when the way I could muzika wawe comedic and stuff. Then recently I've heard that he's more rapping than just making funny noises and all those crazy stuff. But now he goes on to drop a diss song, Ahuna kona. To be honest, not every voice is meant to diss or to drop a diss already has the power to drop that diss that you'll feel that it landed. Because I've played this track a couple of times trying to find something that can really move me. There's nothing right there, man. There is completely nothing. I will say I think it's best maybe he goes back to the drawing board. First of all, the beat, it's an emotional beat. It's an emotional sad beat. Zinena wana mostly they are used ngabatu taliwa or ngabatu bane bakongofukisa message, an emotional touching message. Something zinena the wana wachiko posa the emotions zabo niko zifeel or this is what they're saying, and then you can relate. So he went and took a beat that does not really sit with the diss song. That was the first thing for me. The beat does not sit well with the diss song, and yes, he's rapping. I like the fact that now it's like definitely rapping. He's doing something about his raps, but okay, things that he's saying, man. I don't know, man. So if kanani if metro if petro ndoninyaza I feel like this is just everywhere, at Indo Sinyarara. It's like some lines that does not really sit anyway. It doesn't even bring any impact. It's like somebody trying to get attention and then it turned back to be a joke for people. Because angadwa ko disemana ko dibudazi what all you. But uri aunono kona roterekor babadeza na mini tagam koni this and that. Maybe uzamor comes udokono buya aita something maybe na dum decide impact. Nazo jini such doshi and the Air Force guys, that whole thing have been said over and over. It doesn't land anymore. So I guess he's trying to get attention from other rappers, thinking or maybe they'll give him the attention, and then udo trend, maybe he'll have another impact. I think after Chukukwana and the track he did with those tracks he did with Road Kid, he hasn't landed again. Whatever that has been dropped didn't really have an impact. I think he needs to look back, man, and trying to figure out to get his music to be where it was when he started. Some of us were starting to say, okay, maybe we need to give this guy an attention. The moment you do, man. Come on. Like, guys, go listen to this track. But to be honest, it's a waste of data. Mpuna Mpuna fanoni. I don't want to be like I'm being negative or stuff. It's just that the song is not what I expected. Yeah, it's flowing, it's rapping, it's screaming, running around the beat. Then there's just all over the beat, but it's not delivering something that solid that you can feel like, okay, this is worth listening to. Nah. The moment you listen to it, you forget about whatever you were listening and you now continue as music because it didn't land. It does not have anything. It does not have any element that you feel like you can select and say, okay. It's just water under the bridge. This is the song that we're gonna forget in the next 5 hours. You would have forgot about the song, But yeah, man, I'm hoping that he's gonna go back to drawing board, and trying to rework the song, trying to come up with something. But Mpuna, this one, nah, it didn't work. It didn't work. Let's just say the main thing I can say that really let him down, the beat. If maybe he had got a beat that goes with his voice or something, maybe it could be I would be saying a different story. And you need to understand that this is not a beef, this is a diss. So you can't beef someone, you can diss someone. A beef it's when now it gets everything, man. It also goes physical now. You can't get along. Like it's so bad. That's now when we're talking about a beef. But that is my point also could be you sing something on the song and that one says something. We're talking about people like if we're talking about Metro and Cool Fellow now, Adolf. Those niggas were going head to head, and then if hang out people tangana face to face between something could happen. So you need to understand those things. But that Mpuna Mpuna throwing board. For me, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and then down below hit that subscriber button. What other song you want me to listen to? It's not personal, guys. It's just that if I don't like the song, I'll say.